Border fencing Toubana mapandagi changlakliba illegal immigrants Thingba Ngamloi haina All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam nangase Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Vallaga unaduna demand khara yauba memorandum pisentre ngasi Raj Bhavan da memorandum pisuluraba matung press club ta pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Ansam gi president T.S. Angteshang Maringna Haikibada, India Lengak the Naga Taba Mofam Singi Akoibada, border fencing Tauriba Asi, Kudak the Lep Trabadi, Naga Singna Tumin Lairoi Haikibagalina, Naga Taba Mofam Singi Akoibada, border fencing Taurakliba Asi, Kudak the Lep Kadabani Haina, Governor da Pisan Bacharol Adu the Pale. Lona Yadamong the state asida Changsilaktuna Ladiba, refugee amadi illegal immigrants sing Asi, Taktok Nanaba NRC, Chetnaba Matautai, Naga Taba Mofam Sing the FMR Asi, Amukhana, Chetnahan Gadabane, Loinana state asida Tokliba, Irang Asibo, Atuba Matam the Loisenduna pitch, Puraknaba, Hotna View Haike, Amadi, Governor na Naga Furuk Taba Mofam Sing the Sokan Basi Pusu, Kupna Yangsin Binaba, Yangsin Haningbagi Apambasu, Fongdopada, Governor Nasu, Atubada Tabak Oina, Ontokani Haibagi, Tazaba Piraki Hairi.
With this ongoing violence, after May 3rd, the government of India has decided to control the illegal immigrants with the adoption of the border fencing. This is somehow illogical. If they're really concerned enough, they should go for the implementation of the NRC. The India being a democratic country, they should have the space, they should have the consultation room to consult with the stakeholders and to hear, to learn the democratic voice of the people. Without doing that, it is very unconstitutional. If the government of India still goes on the border construction, the Nagas will not remain silent. We will take up various kind of agitation. By taking this, by saying this, we are not against the government, but against the decision to supersede the rights of the indigenous people. So we are here standing up for the rights of the Nagas. We will continue standing up for our rights till our voice is heard. So we will go on, we'll keep on rising, we'll keep on demanding to stop this border fencing construction and reinstate the free movement regime in Naga areas.